Hello, everyone, and welcome to our part 2 lesson. So, in this video, I would like to discuss to you on how to install the plugins. So, what is plugins again, guys? Can you remember? Okay, let's alalahanin natin to, okay? Si plugins is ito yung part. This is a thing that expands the function of your website. Ibig sabihin, kung si website is ganito lang yung function niya, like this, guys. Kung ito lang yung mukha niya, magiging ganyan lang talaga yung mukha niya. Okay? Kung customize man natin siya, ganun lang talaga yung mukha niya. Hindi tayo magkakaroon ng store. Hindi tayo magkakaroon ng mga banners. Bakit? Kasi yun lang yung pinaka-function ni theme. Yung pagandahin lang yung mukha. Pero yung mga yung mga functions na kailangan natin, like we need to sell something through WordPress site or through website, hindi magagawa yun kung wala si plugins. Kaya importante si plugins. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin? We need to install first all the plugins that I used in this website. Okay, let's go. Let's see ngayon kung ano ba yung in-install ko dito sa aking mockup. Let's go to plugins. Huwag niyo muna akong sundan, guys, kasi ito yung actual website na ginawa ko, na example natin. But this time, gumagawa rin ako ng another website para naman meron akong, para meron kayong sundan sa ating lesson. Okay, ito yung list ng mga plugins na in-install ko. Number 1 is auto-optimize. So let's go now and install this WordPress plugins. Go to your dashboard again, and then plugins, and then that's it. Ito naman yung mga, these are the default WordPress plugins na nakalagay dito sa theme na ito. Tingnan natin kung meron ba yung mga. Wala, I don't need this. I don't need this so far. So click this, bulk action, deactivate first, and then apply. And then click again. I-click nyo to yung plugin na to. Diba si plugin, then yung box. Click nyo lahat para ma-check sila. Una, ginawa ko, dine-activate ko muna. Kasi ang purpose ko, i-delete ko silang lahat. So this time, i-delete ko na sila. Click delete. And then, habang naka-check yan, guys ha, and then click apply. Bakit ko dinelete yung mga nakalagay dyan na plugins? Kasi guys, hindi ko sila kailangan. And may mga cases kasi na hindi lahat ng plugins ay compatible doon sa mga ibang plugins. So, what is the use? And actually, yung mga plugins kasi may factor din siya sa bilis ng website mo. So, we don't need that, kaya I cleaned it. And then, let's refresh it. So, ngayon, malinis na, di ba? Let's click Add New. This is exciting. I like it. I love plugins. You know, this is the most interesting part sa paggawa ng WordPress site kasi yung plugins, ang sarap mag-experiment, guys. So, auto-optimize. Para saan si auto-optimize? Click natin. Si auto-optimize, ang trabaho niya is for some cases na yung mga users, they keep logging in. At saka yung mga hacker, they tried to do that. Kung wala tayong login attempts reloaded. Ito yung nagsasabi, halimbawa, na-reach nyo na yung 3 or 5, sabihin sa inyo, wait for an hour before you can log in again. Yeah? So, this is important, guys. This is for your security, WordPress security. Let's wait for that. Next is really simple SSL. We need this. We need this, guys. We need this guy. We will help you. This really simple SSL is for SSL. What is SSL anyway? So, SSL, nakikita nyo ba si HTTPS na yan? Si HTTPS is a security, certificate of security. I'm sorry, nabubulol ako. So, ito yung nagpo-prove, nagbibigay ng proof sa inyo, sa mga browsers, sa mga users na yung mga tao na gumagamit ng kanilang card, ng kanila to pay is safe. Ibig sabihin, secured yung kanilang information. So, napaka-importante nito. At the same time, kung may SSL ka, hindi ka bibigyan ng warning ng WordPress o kahit yung mga users na you are at risk, 'di ba? May mga cases na makikita niyo yung website, you are at risk. So in your case, you have your SSL, so don't worry. I gave you an SSL. What else? Smart coupons for WooCommerce. Guys, I will teach on how to create coupons. Sino mahilig mag-Lazada dyan? Alam niyo, mahilig ako mag-Lazada. Tsaka lagi rin ako, hindi naman lagi, pero nai-scam din talaga ako. Guys, huwag kayong gumawa ng website na may scamming, ha? Joke lang. So, smart coupons for WooCommerce. Kailangan natin to kasi we will do, look at this, guys. Big offer zone. When we click this, sorry guys, medyo sobrang bumibilis ang ating internet dito sa Borland. Wait. Anong nangyayari? Ano ba yun? Na-stuck ata ako. Wait lang, wait lang. Balikan na lang natin. Okay, smart coupon. Then next is Mush. Para saan si Smush? Si Smush ay... Si Smush naman guys is siya yung nag-optimize ng inyong images. Sa website, kung napakarami na ng mga images, isa kasi yan siya sa nagpapabagal ng website kasi kailangan niya ng maraming, ang dami kasi yan ng mga bits ng images. So, nahihirapan minsan si server na mag-transfer ng data. Well, ang ginagawa ni Smoosh, halimbawa, yung iyong wait. Okay. So, yan na. Wait lang po. Sensya na. Medyo bumagal eh. Smart coupon. Let's say, add new again. Smush. Nanay. Yung login word fence security, sub nyo na lang yun. Yes, word, this one. Kanina, word fence security. This one is word fence login security. Oh, no! I think something is wrong. Yeah. I think. Don't worry. It's right, guys. I'm sorry. Nagpanic lang ang lola niya. Okay. Third to the last is WP fastest cache. What is cache anyway? Alam niyo na ba yung cache? Noong hindi pa ako marunong sa computer, I read cache as cache. I said cache. What is cache? Tapos yung pala cache. So, si cache, ito yung, napapansin nyo ba, minsan, pag pumasok kayo sa isang website, and then, pumasok kayo ulit, next day, ang bilis niyang mag-load, ang bilis mag-appear ng website compared sa first nyong pag-visit ng website. Yan si cache. Ibig sabihin, na i-store niya yung mga information doon sa browser. So, ito yung ginagawa ni cache. Ini-store niya yung mga files nung una mong pag-visit or last visit mo kay website. So, kahit mahina minsan yung signal, nakaka-load ka ng website quickly kasi nandoon na kaagad yun sa website mo. So, yun si cache. Ngayon, kung may mga errors naman sa website mo, at hindi mo na malaman kung ano ginagawa ng website mo, you need to clear the cache. Kasi, so dito ngayon tayo ngayon, ano ba yan? Sorry guys, medyo nakat ako. Dito tayo ngayon kay WP Fastest Cache. Install natin si WP Fastest Cache. Next is WP Forms Lite. Guys, napakarami ng plugins na pare-pareho sila ng functions. Pero alam nyo, nagkakatalo kasi yan siya sa performance. So, kailangan magdepende kayo sa mga active installations, magdepende kayo sa mga sa ratings kasi napakalaki talaga. Talagang it speaks. Okay? It speaks. So, eto si WP Forms. Ito naman yung mga forms. Halimbawa dito kay mag-example ako sa inyo. Contact. Si contact form. Ito si contact form. Yan. Si contact form. Trabaho yan siya ni WP Forms. Okay? So, let's install it. Install. Yes. Okay. Last is not the least is WPS login. What is the work of WPS logged in? Guys, this is very important. Okay, last but not the least is WPS hide logged in. Napansin nyo ba kanina na when we want to enter or when we want to get in sa dashboard natin, we just simply put / and then log in sa URL and then yun na, nakita natin yung WordPress admin logged in, right? But in that, it should not be that way. It should not be that way. Kasi, napakadelikado kapag ang website nyo is sobrang exposed. Madali siyang i-hack, madali siyang sirain. So, ang trabaho ni WPS logged in is to protect the URL of your admin. So, it should be a secret. Instead of logged in, it should be a different word. Halimbawa, damu-damu, let's say, avantgardetechnology.net / damu-damu, right? So, i-explain ko ito sa inyo, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-activate ng mga plugins at iset yung mga settings nila. So, don't worry guys, this is so easy, And that's it for today. And no, not really today, but in this topic. That's it yun lang. Sorry guys, medyo namamalat na ang aking lalamunan. So that's it and see you on our next video. Thank you so much.